Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a business account on Instagram just from your regular personal account, and how to give yourself one of those categories that people have under their names. So it's really easy to do. You guys want to head over to Instagram really quick, and as you guys can see now, I don't have any category under this account's name at all. It's just a normal personal account right now, so one of my example accounts that I use. So what you're going to do is you want to go to the three lines in the top right corner of your Instagram app and click on settings. Then once you're on here, you see all the settings. You want to click on account, and then at the very bottom of that you see it says switch to professional account, so we want to click on that. And then here you could either go creator or business, so whether you're a video creator like me, or a content producer, influencer, anything like that, or if you're an actual business like a store or a brand and stuff like that, you would pick either one here. So for the video's purpose, I'll just pick on creator and click on next. And then here's going to ask you what category you belong in here. So whether you're artist, athlete, blogger, chef, coach, comedian, that kind of stuff, digital creator, entrepreneur, whatever you are, you could just click on one of these here. So I'll just click on video creator for here. And then it asks you if you want to display your category label. So I'll put display and click on done, and then okay. Just give it a second to load here. So as you can see here, under the account photo now, it just says video creator. It is now a business account, and you have these new tabs here where it says like edit profile, promotions, insights, and stuff like that. So yeah, that's how you make your account a business account. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.